to be one of your MCs for today, and really looking forward to sharing the field with my sister Alicia and my brother Noor.
Yes, it's going to be an awesome night. Everyone, wave your flags. Let's see the ride and roll. Yeah, we're going to have an awesome time today. We got our man DJ Al Goody. He's on the tracks. Make sure you tune it up when Thomas scores their tries. Happy to show them and get them out going out. So, Tafima, we've got a lot of supporters here. What's the 101 tips for the Toa Samoa supporters?
One of the number one tips for Samoa supporters: eat before the game. Eat before the game, because when a Samoan doesn't eat and gets hungry, after they go hungry, they go angry, then they become hungry. So make sure you eat before the game for the Moa Samoa.
And Alisi, what about for our Matamata fans? What's your tips?
Okay, our tips for today is please keep our young people safe. All right, look out for everyone. And just be safe and happy, my lord.
Okay, so there it is, a couple of tips. We'll be with you all night. Up to you, Nick.
Hi, how are we, guys?
Pretty exciting, really. It's the day of the new year, so I'm really looking forward to it. He's got the gun. Should be able to find a spot there for us.
These days, there are plenty of places to book online. And how can you avoid unwanted surprises? With over 4,100 hotels worldwide, at AccorHotels.com, you'll always get a great room at a guaranteed best price. As a true online hotel company, we feature not only our own hotels, but hotels from our partners too. Book your next stay at AccorHotels.com. AccorHotels.com. Feel welcome from the first click.
Thanks for coming to the game today. I really appreciate your support. The League for Life Foundation needs your support too. League for Life is the official charity of Rugby League, World Cup and the New Zealand Rugby League. If anyone from the League